Hello, my name is Emma. Is this seat free?
Hi, Emma. Yes, it is free. Please sit down. I am Leo.
Nice to meet you, Leo. Are you a new student here?
Yes, I am. Today is my first day. I am a little nervous.
Don't be nervous. Everyone is very friendly here. What is your first class?
My first class is English. Do you like English?
Yes, I love English. It is very interesting. I also like history and art.
Art sounds fun. I am not good at art. I am good at math.
Math is difficult for me. You are very smart. Do you have a book for English class?
Yes, I have my English book and a notebook in my bag. Look, here it is.
Great. Oh, look at the clock. The teacher is coming. Let's prepare our pens.
Yes, let's get ready. I want to listen carefully to the teacher.
Me too. Let's have a great first day together, Leo.
Yes, thank you, Emma. You are very kind.
You are welcome. Now, let's open our books to page 10.
Okay, page 10. I am ready.
Hi, Ben. What are you doing in the library?
Hi, Sophie. I am looking for some science books. I love science
Science is cool. Why do you like it?
because I like learning about planets, stars, and animals. It is amazing.
That sounds interesting. My favorite subject is music.
Music? Do you play an instrument?
Yes, I play the piano. I practice every day after school.
Wow, you are very talented. Is music difficult?
Sometimes it is hard, but it is very relaxing. I love songs.
I understand. I like science because it explains how the world works.
Do you want to be a scientist in the future?
Yes, I want to work in a big laboratory. And you? What is your dream job?
I want to be a famous musician or a teacher.
A teacher? That is a great job. You are very patient.
Thank you, Ben. Anyway, good luck with your science books.
Thanks, Sophie. See you in class later.
Oh no, the math exam is tomorrow.
Are you worried, Amy? Don't worry too much.
But I don't understand chapter 5. It is very hard.
I can help you. I finished studying chapter 5 yesterday.
Really? You are so kind, Tom. Can we study together?
Of course. Let's go to the park. It is quiet there.
That is a good idea. I need a quiet place to focus.
Do you have your calculator and your pen?
Yes, I have everything in my backpack. I am also bringing some snacks.
Good. Studying is better with snacks. Let's study for 2 hours.
Okay. After that, can we take a break and walk?
Yes, a short walk is good for the brain.
I feel a little better now. Thank you for helping me, Tom.
You're welcome. We can do this. We will pass the exam.
Yes, let's go to the park now.